It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, May 24th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather heating up this week. We could use some rain, but the chance of rain just not good for a while. There's the water vapor satellite view as the day begins. We still have troughing on the east coast, troughing out west, ridging in between over us. And again, most of the active weather will be in advance of that western trough across the central states today. Still feels pretty good this morning. We're in the 50s. Birmingham at 59. The cool spot, Fort Payne at 50. We'll be in the upper 80s in most spots today and very close to 90 by tomorrow. Around the nation, you see cooler air back in the western states. But that cool air will not affect us. We'll see dew points coming up. Nights will be warmer in coming days. Up on the watch warning map, we note the Birmingham Metro's under an air quality advisory for ground level ozone. Air getting kind of stagnant. You'll see a lot of that in the summertime here. Also, those advisories for Nashville and Knoxville and looks like Greenville, Spartanburg, South Carolina. Flash flood watches for a small part of Texas and Oklahoma, where big storms will likely form again today. Severe weather likely over Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, pretty much the same zone. Severe weather places like Omaha, Des Moines, Kansas City. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe weather from the Rio Grande up to Nebraska and Iowa. 'Tis the season for severe weather there while our tornado season fades. And really, we just don't see a lot of rain here. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Basically nothing for most of the state. And there could be a few isolated afternoon showers over the Memorial Day weekend, but widespread rain, no. All the big rains stay well to the west from Texas up to the upper Midwest. All right, model fans, here we go. This is today at 1 o'clock off the GFS, the 06Z run. You see the big trough in the western states. And down below that, sky will be sunny. Mid to upper 80s today. Both the models are at 87. Tomorrow, very close to 90. The NAM and the GFS now printing a high of 89. Thursday, close to 90, partly sunny. Will not mention any rain. Same thing on Friday. And again, you might mention a slight chance of a shower over North Alabama Friday afternoon, but prospects of getting wet are very, very low. High will be 87 to 90. And that's the formula for the weekend. This is Saturday, kicking off a holiday weekend. It's Memorial Day. Highs 87 to 90, partly to mostly sunny. Chance of rain, tiny. Same thing Sunday. Good news, it's great weather for the SEC baseball tournament at the Hoover Met this week. And Monday, looking pretty good. Again, we've seen evidence on the global models of perhaps lower pressure near the Atlantic coast, some type of hybrid subtropical low there. We'll check the European Sunday, and it's got that low just off the coast of North Carolina, east of Wilmington. But one way or the other, that should not really affect us. This is a week from today, Tuesday, May 31st. Again, it's the same pattern, troughing in the western states. The east is under general ridging, and for us, it's the same thing. As we wrap up meteorological spring, partly sunny, the chance of a shower small, highs well up in the 80s. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, June 2nd. Same thing, ridging in the east, troughing in the west, and the weather not changing much. Maybe a slightly better chance of a shower if that's right. Check the numbers. Hey, looks like summer, doesn't it? Upper 80s to near 90 every day. Lows mostly in the 60s. No sign of those cool nights anytime soon. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.